Hey guys, just a real quick video on most commonly used hand signals in technical diving. Seems to be a little bit of confusion. There might obviously be some slight variations between agencies, but generally speaking, the broad set of hand signals is pretty similar. Okay, so the first one to start with is obviously that one. That still means down. This, however, does not mean up, it means end of dive. It's a command signal, and what that basically means is if that gets thrown at you in the water, it means at that point you end the bottom phase of your dive, meaning you start coming up. It doesn't mean that you'll omit your deco stops, it doesn't mean that you omit your safety stops, it just means like we'll talk about what the problem is when we're a bit shallower and we're not on gassing and using lots of our gases or deco gases. Yeah, so that means end of dive. It basically means that we start our ascent. Okay, another one, very powerful signal that you need to know is the numbers, because the numbers are used for pressure, they're used for deco, they're used for time, they're used for TTS, they're used for what level I want to go to, what depth I want to go to. So very important. They are done with one hand, and they are done as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with the fingers pointing up and the open side of the hand facing you. 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this is done with the back of the hand with the fingers facing sideways. So if I wanted to tell you that my pressure was 150 bar, then that's how I would do it. If I wanted to tell you I wanted to level up to 21 meters, that's how I would do it. If I wanted to tell you, let's switch to our 50 mix, that's how I would do it. Yeah, and that's how you can use the one-handed numbers there. We've kind of covered sort of in between a couple of signals there already. That means level up. And level up would mean the next step in your plan, because obviously you've planned your dive. Hey guys, so if you enjoy watching these videos and you're either wanting to be a diver or already a diver, and you're kind of stuck for finding some quality training, give us a shout. If we can't help you ourselves, we can certainly point you in the right direction somewhere in your area. There's a little link below that if you click it, takes you to a little contact form specifically for training. So fill in what your current level is, what you're looking to do, and we'll get back to you straight away and hopefully point you in the right direction. Quite often that should be done with level up to 12 meters, for example, and then the response is, yes, I agree, let's level up to 12 meters. Try not to give an okay response, because that's not quite appropriate when you're giving a level up command or a level up instruction to the other diver. That one is deco, that one is question mark, so I could say, hey, you, how much deco have you got? And you could tell me, well, I've got 12 minutes left, for example. Another one that you could use is to level off, to stay here, to hover, right? For example, it could be too complicated to say to someone, I want you to level up to 6 meters and then I want you to stay there for 22 minutes. Too many signals. So perhaps what you would do is, let's go up to 6. And then when everyone's at 6, you can go, hey, we're going to stay here for 22 minutes, all right? And everyone checks, yes, 22 for me as well. Actually, I've got 25, no drama. And that's how you could check in with each other. But if you separate the depth section to let's hover here for so much time, it makes it less confusing. It makes it easier to communicate. That are the most basic technical signals that you should use. So we've gone to the down signal, we've gone to the end of dive signal, we've gone to the level, we've got the switching going on, the numbers, very important. The deco, obviously pressure remains the same. And that's the sort of basis of your technical hand signals. Any questions or anything you've seen out there that I haven't talked about, feel free to send us a message and we'll make a quick video or send you a little answer in the comments below. Hey, if you like this video, click up here to subscribe and click up there to see more how-to videos.